Hey friend, this is Jeric G, ang nagmamaranang yung friend, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, another tutorial content na naman tayo. So kung ikaw ay interested, keep on watching. So, disclaimer lang guys, hindi pa po ako CPA. So, anything na sasabihin ko or ituturo ko in this video is based only on my understanding, based only on what I have learned during my undergrad and even during on my self-study. So, kung sa tingin mo mayroon ako nasabing concept na hindi tama, nagmamarunong ko pa sa nagmamarunong ng friend. Lecturer, feel free to comment kasi wala naman tayo ibang gustong mangyari dito but to help every accounting students and aspiring CPAs na ma-master ang bawat concept para ma-achieve nila ang goal nila, which is to become a certified public accountant. Okay, so in this video, I will be discussing with you the partnership operation. And the main issue regarding the partnership operation is how will the partners divide their profits or losses generated by the partnership. So, syempre, after you form the partnership, kailangan mag-operate ng partnership in order to earn income or to incur loss. And at the end of the year, ayun yung isa sa inaabangan ng mga partners. So, they will check the income statement if they earned income or they incur a loss. So, and also the main problem is, paano ba natin hahatiin yung income between us? So, paano nga ba? Unang-una, there are rules that we have to follow kasi nasabi ito sa sa partnership law. So kailangan siyang i-follow. The first priority is the agreement of the partners. So ibig sabihin, there is a profit or loss ratio agreed by the parties. So kung tatlo kayo, pwedeng ang naagreehan nyo is 35-35-30 or 50-30-20, depende sa napag-agreehan nyo. And remember, in the partnership, what is the agreement of the partners is the law between them. So, batas yun. Hindi mo pwedeng baguhin, hindi mo pwedeng baliin. 'Di ba? So, yun yung susundin natin. And additionally, depending on the agreement of the partners, if only the profit ratio has been agreed upon, the same shall be used in case of loss. So, halimbawa, sa sobrang pagiging positive ng mga partners, akala nila sa loob ng isang taon, magkakaroon sila agad ng income. So, ang napag-agreehan nila is profit ratio lamang. So, pero at the end of the year, diba, nakita nila na nag-incur sila ng loss. So, since ang napag-agreehan nila is profit ratio lang, so yung profit ratio na yun, pwede mo rin yun siyang gamitin as hatian nyo, as basis ng mga partners sa hatian ng loss na na-incur nila. So, pwede rin naman palang magkaiba yung profit ratio sa loss ratio. Depende nga sa napag-agreehan nila. But in case na walang agreement of the partners as to the profit or loss ratio, the second priority is the contribution of the partners. And the contribution of the partners is kung ano yung dinala nila into partnership. It could be money, property, or services. Diba? It is on the definition of the partnership. Diba? So, ang question dito, kung contribution of the partners ang magiging basis nyo since wala kayo na pag-agrihan, paano nyo babaluhan yung services na binigay ni industrial partner? So yun yung tanong, paano natin babaluhan yung services na na-contribute ni industrial partner throughout the partnership? So meron sinabi ang batas regarding that. The industrial partner shall not be liable for the losses. So in case na wala kayo na pag-agrihan as to profit or loss ratio, hindi liable si industrial partner sa loss. Bakit? Kumbaga, services na niya, pagod niya na, pawis niya na yung naging contribution nyo. Tapos, nagkaroon kayo ng loss, tapos maghati pa siya ulit sa loss. Kumbaga, double kill na ito sa industrial partner. So, ulitin ko, yung industrial partner is not liable for the losses. As for the profits naman, he shall receive a share that is just and equitable under the circumstances. So, ano nga ba itong just and equitable under the circumstances? So, sinabi sa batas na yung just and equitable under circumstances is the smallest capital contribution of the capitalist partner. So, halimbawa, meron kayong 4 na partners, 3 doon capitalist partner, at isa industrial partner. So, sa capitalist partner, ang contribution nila 15, 10, and 5. So, yung just and equitable under the circumstances, according to the law, is yung 5 na contribution ng isang capitalist partner. And yun yung magiging basis ng ratio ni industrial partner. And if besides his services, he has contributed capital, he shall also receive a share in the profits in proportion to his capital. So, ibig sabihin, aside sa pagiging industrial partner, capitalist partner pa rin siya. So, hiwala yon. Meron siyang share sa pagiging industrial partner, meron din siyang share sa pagiging capitalist partner. Depende kung magkano yung na-contribute niya. Ito pa pala, a stipulation excluding one or more of the partners from any share in the profits or losses is void. So, it was stated in the partnership law na kapag nag-agree kayo, halimbawa A, B, and C, nag-agree kayo na si C hindi siya mag-share sa profits or loss. Diba? So, yung agreement na yon, void yon. So, anyways, aside sa profit or loss ratio na napag-agreehan ng mga partners, pwede silang mag-agree additionally as to distribution of income. So, remember, batas sa mga partners ang agreement nila. So, kung ano yung napag-agreehan nila ng mga partners, yun yung masusunod sa partnership. So, itong 3 items na to, pwede raw itong pag-agreehan ng mga partners as to distribution of income. So, ibig sabihin, itong mga items na to, ano lang to, para lang ma-distribute yung income. And also, para ma-recognize yung mga contribution ng bawat partner. So, unang-una is the salaries. So, alam naman natin yung salaries expense ito. And usually mga employees yung binibigyan natin. But for this, pwedeng mag-agree yung mga partners na bigyan ng salaries as distribution of income item si industrial partner. Remember, si industrial partner, services yung prinivide niya sa partnership. Services yung kinontribute niya. So, anong purpose nito? Para mo-honor o para ma-recognize lamang yung services na prinivide ni industrial partner sa partnership. So, whether profit or loss, ibibigay ito kapag nag-agree sila. The next item is bonuses. Diba? So, ano naman itong bonuses na to? Para lang ma-recognize yung good management na prinivide ni managing partner sa partnership. And it will be only given kapag profit lamang ang na-incur ng partnership. And at the same time, kapag positive yung magiging outcome o positive yung magiging excess ng pag-allocate sa bonuses sa isang partner. So, and lastly, interest on capital contributions. Just to recognize the investment na prinivide ng mga partners, ng capitalist partner sa partnership in case they needed it. Diba? Depende pa rin sa agreement nila. And whether profit or loss, ibibigay itong interest on capital contribution. And itong 3 items na to, nakadepende ito sa problem yung ranking nila. Pwedeng mauna yung bonus, pwedeng mauna yung interest, pwedeng mauna yung salaries. Diba? So, depende pa rin sa agreement nila kung ano yung masusunod sa kanila. And ulitin ko lang, yung bonus, binibigay lamang ito kapag profit. So, kung yung partnership nag-incur ng net loss, automatic, hindi na ito ibibigay yung bonus sa managing partner. So other than that, the salaries and the interest and capital contribution, whether profit or loss, ibibigay ito kapag nag-agree ang mga partners. So these items are normally provided first as income distribution items, and then any remaining amount of profit or loss is divided according to the profit or loss ratio. So una itong ibibigay o una tong i-allocate sa partners. Then after that, kung merong natira o kung ano yung excess, yun yung paghahatian ng mga partners depending on the profit or loss ratio they have agreed. So, bago ako magbigay ng example, i-discuss ko muna sa inyo yung withdrawals by the partners kasi very important ito lalo na sa computation ng interest on capital contribution. So, meron tayong dalawang withdrawals ng partners. Though itong dalawang withdrawals na to at the end of the year, binabangga ito sa partnership o binabawas ito agad sa capital ng partners. So, pero they've been distinguished into two. So, the first is the temporary withdrawals and the permanent withdrawals. So, ano yung pagkakaiba nila? The temporary withdrawals, it is a withdrawal against share in the net income. Ibig sabihin, itong temporary withdrawals, binabangga muna ito sa net income bago siya binabangga sa capital. At itong temporary withdrawals, yearly provided ito. Depende kung napag-agrihan. So, ibig sabihin, kapag sinabi sa problem na this is yearly provided, automatic temporary withdrawals yon. And the permanent withdrawals is a withdrawal against capital balance. Ibig sabihin, ibabangga to agad sa capital balance. So kung yung temporary withdrawals, ibabangga muna sa share in the net income. Tapos kapag kulang yung share in the net income, saka siya ibabangga sa capital balance. Itong permanent withdrawals, automatic ibabangga siya sa capital balance. And ito, yung withdrawals, kapag silent yung problem. So, why do we need to distinguish the two? Kasi itong temporary withdrawals, ini-ignore natin to siya as to computation of the average capital balance of the partners or weighted average, depende. And itong permanent withdrawals lang yung kino-consider natin as to the computation. So, okay? So, ngayon naman, magbigay tayo ng sample problem. So, problem tayo para mas lalo nating maintindihan. So, si partners A and B nag-establish ng business and they want to distribute the profits or losses that were generated at the end of the year. So, ang crucial dito is yung date of the first year operation. Kasi, syempre, yung second year, third year, fourth year of operation, automatic January 1 yun mag-start. Pero yung first year operation, there are tendencies kasi or there are problems kasi na ang start ng operation ng partnership is pwedeng March, pwedeng June, pwedeng September. Depende kung kailan nag-start yung operation ng partnership. So, be careful lamang. So, the capital accounts during the year were as follows. So, binigyan tayo ng beginning balance ni A and B. Binigyan tayo ng additional investment. Binigyan tayo ng withdrawals, temporary and permanent. So, and also, the following were agreed on how to distribute the profits and losses. So, aside sa profit or loss ratio, nagkaroon pa ng agreement yung mga partners, si A and B, as to the distribution of income. So, what are those? So, meron daw interest on weighted average capital balances at 10%. Meron ding annual salaries of 25,000 for A and 35,000 for B. Meron ding bonus to B at 10% of net income after bonus. And the remainder were shared equally. And the net income of the year is 99,000. So, may net income ang partnership. So, what does it mean? Ibig sabihin, allowed tayo magbigay ng bonus. So, kung itong net income, pinalitan ito ng net loss, automatic yung bonus to be na 10% of net income after bonus. Wala na yan. As if parang hindi siya binigay kasi net loss tayo. Pero dahil net income tayo, so allowed tayo mag-compute ng bonus kay B. So what is the requirement? So the requirement is compute the share in the profit of each partner and their respective ending capital balance. So of course, since this is a partnership operation, ang pinaka main issue dito is magkano ang matatanggap ni partners ng isang partner sa share niya sa net income. And at the same time, requirement din sa atin is ibigay yung ending capital balance ng bawat partners. Okay? So let's solve it. So unang-una, dahil unang binigay doon yung interest on weighted average capital, so i-compute muna natin yung weighted average capital para ma-compute natin yung interest. So sa weighted average capital, very important na tingnan mo kung kailan yung date ng transaction. Kasi kumbaga sa weighted average capital, kino-consider niya kung ilang buwan mo nagamit yung isang investment o kung ilang buwan bago mo nagastos yung withdrawals. Okay? So halimbawa kay partners A, nung beginning balance niya na 50,000, sa buong 12 months, since January 1 naman itong transaction natin, 'di ba? So 12 months siya. So sa buong 12 months, nagamit niya yung 50,000. 'Di ba? Itong over 12 na to, depende ito sa start ng operation. Lalo na pag first year ha, sabi ko nga kanina, lalo na pag first year of operation. So pwedeng maging over 9 yan kung April 1 na siya nag-start, o pwede ring over 6 kung July 1 na siya nag-start. So depende pa rin yan. Kaya unang-una, very careful with the dates and be careful sa dates of transaction kapag weighted average capital yung tinatanong. Kasi kung average capital lang to, simple average, paano ba yung simple average? Ipag-add mo sila or minus then divide 2. That's the simple average. Pero weighted ito, so very crucial yung time. So, halimbawa, yun nga, yung beginning balance na 50,000 for 12 months na gamit ni partners A ng partnership. Kaya 12 over 12. Tapos nag-additional investment si partner A ng 30,000. Pero nung April 1 na. So, natitira lang na buwan kay partner ay sa part ng partnership para magamit ito is 9 months na lang. So, ganun din sa pero nung June 30 withdrawal na 25,000, bakit hindi natin siya kinonsider? Kasi nga temporary withdrawal ito. So remember, tulad sa diniscuss ko kanina, yung temporary withdrawal, ini-ignore natin to siya as to computation of average capital. So nag-jump tayo sa September 9. So ang withdrawal mo is 45,000. Pero September 1 ka na nag-withdraw. So ibig sabihin, yung 45,000 na ito, nagamit mo pa siya ng ilang buwan. 'Di ba? So, and nag-jump tayo ng October 1 ng additional investment. So, na-compute natin, in-add natin siya. So, the total weighted average capital is 75,000. And multiply natin siya sa interest na 10%. So, makukuha natin ng interest on weighted average capital na 7,500. So, jump naman tayo kay partner B. Si partner B naman, nagkaroon siya ng beginning balance sa 70,000. And yung 70,000 na yun, magagamit niya yun ng 12 months. So, kaya 12 over 12. Pero nung April 1, nag-withdraw siya. 'Di ba sabi ko pag silent, yung withdrawals, automatic permanent withdrawal yon. So, may nag-silent sa problem. So, dahil permanent withdrawal, i-consider natin siya. So, 9 over 12 na lang kasi April 1 na siya, and so on and so on. So the total weighted average capital is 95,000. And i-times natin sa interest na napag-agrihan nila, which is 10%. So ang interest on weighted average capital ni partner B is 9.5. So here is the income distribution table. So remember, itong interest, salaries, and bonus, nakadepende ito sa napag-agrihan ng partners. Kung pwede kasing mauna yung salaries, so interest, bonus, o mauna yung bonus, interest, salaries. So depende sa napag-agrihan ng mga partners. So ito na. So given ito yung 7,595 na compute natin na yan. Yung 25,000 na salaries and 35,000 na sa problem yan. And itong bonus na 9,000, paano ito nakuha? So yung bonus to be, sabi doon sa problem is 10% of net income after bonus. So ibig sabihin, ibabawas mo muna yung bonus sa net income bago mo i-times sa 10%. So, ang formula is B is equals to 10% times net income minus B. Diba? And dahil given yung net income na 99,000, so, yun na, minus B kasi nga, yun yung hinahanap natin. So, times natin sa 10% kaya naging 99 yan. Minus 0.10 na B. And dahil nga, so, ilipat natin yung 0.10B, yung negative 0.10B sa kabilang side para ipagsama yung parehong symbol. So, 1.10B yan. So, i-divide natin yung 99, makukuha natin ang 9,000 na bonus. So, yan yon. And, ang natitira is 13,000. And yun yung paghahatian nila equally ng mga partners. Pero halimbawa naman, ang net income na binigay sa atin is 70,000 lamang. So, na-compute natin yung interest, 17,000. Na-compute natin yung salary, 60,000. Ang total nila is 77,000. Pero ang net income lang is 70,000. So, sumobra ng 7,000. So, do we need to compute pa ba ng bonus? Hindi na. Kasi nga, negative na ang magiging result nun. Diba? Mas madadagdagan yung negative na amount. Diba? So, ignore na natin yung bonus. So, yun yung sinasabi ko kanina na yung bonus, ibibigay lamang siya kapag profits at ibibigay lamang siya kung ang magiging result is positive. Okay? So, the total share ni partner A is 39,000 and the total share ni partner B sa net income is 60,000 for the total of 99,000. Take note, hinati lamang yung amount, yung 99,000 kay partners A and B. And yung interest, salaries, and bonus na yan, ginamit lang yan siya as item para hatiin yung 99,000. So, at the end of the day, at the end of the computation, dapat equal pa rin yung share ni A and B o ng buong partners sa net income nila. Okay? And right now, compute natin yung partners' capital balances. So, meron tayong beginning balance na given sa problem na 50,000 kay A, 70,000 kay B. And additional investment na 100,000 kay A and B naman is 110 nasa given to, pinag-add ko lang. And the withdrawals na 70 and 60 kay B. Actually nasa computation, nasa problem din to, pinag-add ko lang, pinagsama ko na yung temporary and permanent. And the share in the net income na na-compute natin kanina, and the ending balances ni A is 119,000 and kay B naman is 180,000 for a total capital ng partnership na 299,000. Okay? So, that's all. So, very madali lamang yung partnership operation. Just stick on the agreement of the partners and always rank them accordingly kung ano yung napag-usapan ng partners. Remember, agreement of the partners ang masusunod sa partnership. Okay? So, I hope na meron kayo natutunan and happy aral. Thank you guys! And that's it. I hope na nakatulong na naman itong tutorial content ko sa inyo. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share this video para marami pang accounting students at aspiring CPAs ang matuto sa konseptong ito. Thank you and see you on my next nagmamarunong na vids. Bye!